What up, Taurus? My bulls. My bulls. Okay, it's me, Mona B, the Intuitive. Welcome back. If you've been here before, y'all know, if you've been here, you know I hate doing long ass intros. But this is for my Taurians. Is that how you would say it? Taurians, Tauruses. I'm not a grammar teacher, but Taurus in the plural form. This is for my Taurians, sun, moon, rising, or wherever you have Taurus within your chart. Check your chart, know yourself. If you don't know what chart I'm talking about a birth chart, birth natal chart, where the stars and planets were aligned when you were born. You need to know your time of birth. You know, if you don't know the time though, you can still get, sun, moon, and things of that nature. I don't want to get too in depth on that. Just Google or whatever search engine that you prefer. Cross watchers, welcome. Just keep it cute though, because you get what you put out. People that just want to be nosy, you're welcome as well. Like I said, keep it cute though, because you get back what you put out. Believe that. If you just want to know what's going on within a Taurus that's in your life, secret admirer or whatever, welcome. Okay, I'm gonna get energy cards first, and then I'll jump straight into your reading. I want to at least get like 3 or 4 energy cards. With that being said, let's get into this. I want to know what's going on. My readings are timeless, so whenever you get this message, that's when it's for you. Yeah. I think that's, oh yeah, of course I cannot read for everybody in the world. Well, I possibly could, but it would probably wipe me the hell out, and I got to take care of myself. So let's be realistic. It's not going to resonate with everyone. So without further ado, for Taurus, April 2020, what are the energies? What are the energies for Taurus for April 2020? Please and thank you. Already cleared my space. Prayed over my space. What is the energy, please, for Taurus? I hope everybody is staying safe out there in this crazy world of ours, with all the crazy things happening. Being respectful of yourself and others. But don't let this being sheltered in your home. Don't just be a robot, Do something. Learn something. Do something that you haven't done in a long time. Be artistic, paint, draw, dance, write music, write poetry, write a book. Do home workouts. The thing about home workouts, instead of just going to the gyms for people who have anxiety and whatnot and just have stage fright or whatever, you can go at your own fucking pace. Do things on your own accord. Do things your way. You know what I'm saying? Be free. Anyways, protect yourself, protect the babies, the loved ones. Heal, learn, grow, evolve. A little message. Alright, let's get into it now. All my crystals. I gotta move them out the way. What are the energies for Taurus? Please and thank you. Okay, we got one already. Don't fret, I will show you the cards when I get them all. Bottom of the deck, anxiety. So we could be worrying or anxious about something. 8 turns into a 9. 9s are about completions. Oh, okay. Instead of 4, we got 5. The first card I got is a storm warning. It's a 10. 10s are about endings, which simplifies into a 1. So, you know, something new. Endings, new beginnings. Storm warning. It could be a warning, of course. But I feel like this could have happened already for some. Like you weathered the storm. Something happened. You weathered the storm. It's over. You had a warning. You knew something was going to happen. Red flags or whatever, but you knew something was going to happen and you made it through the storm. You weathered the storm. You made it. Taking heed. The second card I got is appreciation. So either some of you are having appreciation and are grateful, and some of you need to have appreciation and gratitude, maybe from whatever this storm was. Apply it to your life. I only know snippets. I don't know your whole entire life. Just being appreciative, you know, being in the moment, being thankful, you know, being thankful. 5 turns into a 6. That's about harmony. Harmony and balance. Okay, and then I have envy. So in 20 turns into a 2. So it could be a friend, a partner, or somebody that you know that's close to you that you are envious of, or somebody is envious of you. Then we have attachment. That's 5. 5 is about change. And sometimes being unbalanced because, you know, it's an odd number and it's like 3 and 2. You know, it's not even, you know. So attachment, maybe you need to change some attachment that you have to something or someone, a person, place, or thing that is not good for you and is not serving you. Maybe you need to change that attachment. It could be some type of codependency. It could be with this 20 turned to a 2, it could be some type of friend, lover, friendship, or whatever. And then we have the 3rd chakra, Archangel Samuel. This is your ego. This is your solar plexus. This is to do with your desires, what you want. Ego. Maybe you need to let go of your ego. Maybe you let go of your ego. The ego is causing you to be envious of something or someone because you feel a sense of lack. You see how this woman is in her home? She has jewels and she looks well off. She has jewels. She has a whole plate of jewels. I don't know if you can see that. A whole plate of jewels. I think they're like pearls or whatever. But she's so envious. She's not satisfied with what she has because she's letting her ego take over. She needs to let go. She's attached to her ego, making her be envious. Let go of that. Be appreciative for what you have. For what you have, you know, get out of that sense of lack. Because the only reason why it feels like you lack is because it's in your mind. You're making it that way because you are looking at what someone else has. Oh, like, why don't I have that? Or I deserve that. You know what I'm saying? It's all in the mind. You know, you're having a competition within other people. You making a competition when it doesn't have to be. You should have a competition. Only competition that we should be going through is competition within ourselves. You know, we want to better ourselves. Always evolve and grow. Because if you are at a competition with everybody else, you're going to lose every time because you're not going to be satisfied. Because you are sitting here trying to walk and compare your journey, your path to someone else's, and it's not your path. So, of course, it's going to be different. It's not your... Everybody, there's enough sun for us all. Your time is your time. Their time is their time. Storm warning. So if this hasn't happened, your ego, something is going to happen. It will humble you. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Taurus. What do we have for Taurus? The universe will humble you. Like, you can be on top, have it all, be a millionaire. If that's what a lot of people define success, is if you're wealthy. You can have all this money, but like the situation in which we're dealing with. You have all this money, But everybody had to sit their little asses down to where you have money or to whether you don't have money. So what is your money doing for you? You couldn't do nothing because the stores and places and things are closed. Humble yourself. Be happy with who you are and where you are and where you've come from. Of course, yes, we want to evolve. We want to elevate. That's always the goal. But sometimes you need to live in the moment and be happy. For where you've come from, you know? Stop looking at everybody else's shit, you know? Look at your own shit. What do you have for Taurus? And I know y'all some hard-headed motherfuckers. I have some friends that are Taurus. And I have my own stubborn ways, even though I'm not a Taurus. But we really have, you know, connected to all the signs, no matter what sign you are. Even if you're not a Taurus, you can get something from this. So, what do we have for Taurus? First card. Taurus. What do we have for Taurus? Please and thank you. Flipped and flipped. Okay, I had a popper. I don't know what you call it. It popped and then it popped back, and I think it was the 10 of Cups. So, something to do with wish fulfillment, something to do with family, possibly, emotions, relationships. Then, what comes out, 7 of Swords. It's an icky card to me, because it's about somebody trying to get away with things. Somebody trying to be slick and sly. Some could be a thief. You know, thief. Somebody trying to steal. Steal what? Steal joy. Like, why is my child outside? Maybe he's taking out the trash. I'm sorry, y'all. Mama bear. I multitask. But 7 of Swords. That's deception. Somebody trying to get away with something. Stealing. Swords are about ideas, communication, thoughts. It could be somebody it's also about betrayal. Somebody could be talking down on you, on your name. Energies could be reversed. I also forgot to say that. So it could be you talking down on somebody else. If not, it's just an icky feeling. What's crossing this? Please, for my Taurus. For my Taurus. Taurians. I gotta figure out the plural. It just sounds so weird. Taurians. What's crossing the 7 of Swords for my Taurians? Sneaking off. Being sneaky. Somebody's being sneaky. Sneaky could be sneaky words, talking behind your back. Friendly in your face, talking behind your back. Spreading rumors. Keeping secrets. I don't like a two-faced person. What's crossing this is we have the Hangman. Could be dealing with the Pisces. Could be a sneaky Pisces. This deceptive energy is crossed with the Hangman. Being stuck. Not moving. The Hangman is also about enlightenment. So, maybe some enlightenment of some sort. You might come to the knowledge of this betrayal or this sneaky shit that's going on. You may come realize that somebody that you thought was for you is not truly for you. what you call them? Snake in the grass. And it is 2020. A lot of shit is being realized. People's true colors are being revealed. Let's get some more. What is crowning for my twins? 10 cups could be family or friends. Somebody that you're like have some type of relationship. It doesn't have to be love. Relationships are friends, lovers, family, you know, platonic, associates. Crowning. We have the 9 of Wands. So this is my resilience, perseverance card. You know, been beat up, been through it, been through the works. Look at him, how he's got a patch on his eye. Can we focus? Focus on. Got a patch on his eye. Been beat up, but he's still standing. Still standing. I'm still strong, regardless of whoever, you know, spreading these rumors or having these deceptive ways. This deception, you still pressing on, which is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm hearing weather the storm again too, because 9s are about completions. Like you've battled this or with this. Maybe you knew this person was betraying you. Giving people the benefit of the doubt. You don't deserve to be used. Nobody deserves to be used. And you teach people how to treat you. Keep that in mind. I know Tauruses, whatever the damn plural word is. Yeah, y'all can be stubborn. I'm putting more syllables. Stubborn. Just hard-headed, forceful. But to me, Tauruses, they are lovable. They're lovable. They're homey. Cancers get along with Taurus. So, I mean, homey, the sense of home, like just family. They're earthy. There we go. Earthy, because it is you are an earth sign. Stability. And then you're ruled by Venus. So you can't help but, you know, embody love. And value things, material, money. Don't let people take your kindness for weakness. And y'all are sensitive too. That's when y'all, you know, the stubborn and the meanness come out because you're trying to protect yourself. Don't let nobody use you. Family, friends, whatever. You don't use you either. You teach people how to treat you. What's the foundation? 9 of Wands is my resilient card. Perseverance. So fighting. You've been fighting. Feel like you've been fighting. And it's wand, so it's fire energy. So you're still going. You've been going regardless of the blows and how hard it seemed. You know, feel like you've been knocked and beat and fucking betrayed and feeling stuck in these weak ass partnerships, relationships. What is the foundation? Because that's making me mad. Page of Cups. So is it a new offer coming in? Maybe an apology? Some shit that you found out that somebody was betraying you or just holding things back from you, keeping secrets, not being totally honest, or stealing from you. And I see an offer. Could be dealing with the water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Pages are young though, you know. I'm not saying that when they come, it may not be sincere, because they may be sincere, but some people, you know, sincerely apologize, but then go right back to the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Use your discernment. If you are sitting there letting somebody mistreat you constantly over and over again, and you fall for their okie doke, ask yourself, why do I feel that I deserve this ill treatment? Go have a conversation with yourself. Go get that enlightenment that you need. Because nobody deserves to be treated like shit. Even if the roles are reversed, if somebody's being treated like shit by a Taurus, regardless, I stand up for what's right. If it's not an apology, it's a new offer in some type of relationship. Could be love. Could be a young water sign. And I feel the sense of moving forward with this Knight of Wands. 9 of Wands. What's in the past? King of Cups. So maybe you could be leaving some older water sign. It's a king, yes, but it could be a female as well. Maybe a female with masculine energy. And don't get hooked up on the masculine and feminine. Can I talk today? Feminine, because we all possess masculine and feminine energy. It's a duality. And it's not saying, oh, the woman acts like a dude because she's masculine. No. Masculine meaning maybe she's a go-getter. You know, she's driven. She goes. She thinks logically. Just the traits of masculine energy. Look it up. Feminine energy is about intuition, nurturing, motherly, you know what I'm saying? Things like that nature, just some examples. But could be leaving a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio in the past. The King. Water signs are known to be intuitive anyways. The foundation is about something new in a relationship or an apology. Foundation. The Kings are, you know, stable within their emotions, intuitive, loving, nurturing. But the downside, a reason why I feel like they're in the past, is they can be manipulative. Because they know. I see. Well, here, but there's a trash over there. Sorry, y'all. I just lost my damn train of thought. Leaving a water sign in the past. They know how. Very intuitive. So they know how to work the emotions, know how to work the mind, if that makes sense. That's what I say Pisces, because you can get lost in a Pisces. Like, I've gotten lost in a Pisces. Like, it'd be like a dream world, and like all of a sudden you come to like, what the fuck? Where have I been? What have I been doing? Okay, it's not about me. Let me stop. Let's get more so I can start putting these puzzle pieces together. What is in the future for Taurus? Could be a lover, could be a friend or a business partner that you're leaving in the past. Maybe this is water. You've been betrayed by a water sign, possibly, or was being betrayed by a water sign, or you betrayed a water sign. Okay, it came up sideways, but in the future we have some type of new beginning. Could be a new beginning in love with these wands, because wands is about, you know, sensuality, drive, passion. Or it could be a new passion, like a new creative endeavor. Could be a new business opportunity where you create, you know, that takes off. Ooh, back. But it's a gift. So maybe after you let this person go or leave them in the past, here comes this new love, possibly, because I did say an offer, and this is new. I mean, it doesn't have to be a young person. It could be a young person, but it's also fresh and new. Pages is about, you know, just young, fresh, new. Sometimes, also, I have to say it because this is sex. This is sex. New sex. New partner. Conception. Conceiving a baby. Some of you making babies. With the new, leaving one water sign for the new water sign. That's what I'm seeing. So leaving one unstable, manipulative, using water sign for a more stable, passionate. They probably have fire within their chart, or you have fire within your chart. Or you could be leaving a water sign for a fire sign. Leo, Sag, or Aries. What's the sun's card for Taurus? And as I say that, we got the 8 of Cups. When I picked it up though, it was like reversed. So, what's going on, Taurus? Because it was like that. You are either delaying with this staying stuck, delaying leaving, knowing that the situation is not, you know, benefiting you and it's not good for you. With this Hangman, staying stuck in this, whoever is betraying you, just treating you unfairly, being secretive or lying. Whether it's just, you know, it's just negative. I just feel like it's really negative, but you're just staying stuck. Why? Go ask yourself that. Why? Why do I feel like I deserve this bullshit? Why do I feel like I deserve ill treatment? Why? Because the 8 of Cups is about walking away from what doesn't serve you. Going to go find what you want, what you desire that is for you. Going to go find your 9th cup, your happiness, your contentment. But you're staying stuck. And look at that moon. So it's in your subconscious. You feel that way for whatever reason. And I feel like home, family, you taking care of people. Halt, let me stop you there. How the hell can you take care of folks, you know, family, kids, whatever? How can you take care of these people if you're not taking care of yourself? That's beyond me. Because if you're not well, mentally, physically, emotionally, you all over the damn place. You're going to be all over the damn place when you sit here trying to take care of these people. You cannot give from an empty cup. Impossible. If you ain't got shit, how you going to give shit? Take care of yourself. What is home and environment, please, for Taurians? Home and environment, please, and thank you. You don't have to be stuck. And it's in your mind. You can release yourself. You can release yourself. With this Hangman, yeah, he's stuck with that rope or whatever with his foot. His hands are behind his back though, but we don't see rope. For all we know, his hands could be free and he can untie himself. Home and environment, please, for my Taurians. Home and environment, please. Thank you. Just need one, please. Home and environment. Okay. Home and environment. It's the Queen of Swords. So your environment and your home could be a little cold with this Queen of Swords because I'm gonna turn on some light on the next because I'm doing y'all love reading next. Stay tuned. But Queen of Swords, some say she can be cold, but I say she's for the truth. She don't mess around. She want to get straight to the chase. She don't have no time for bullshit. Truth, swords, truth, clarity, communication, what's right, the answers, straight to the chase. If you got bullshit, she got her sword. I've heard this and I'm gonna use it because I like it. She has her sword and she will use it to either cut you out or cut you in. She will decide. So, I mean, the home can be a little, probably not warm, not as warm as probably cold. People are probably like, what you need, what, okay, bye. You know what I'm saying? Like, it could be not very warm, not very loving. I mean, the Queen of Swords is loving, but her love is not stern. I know we all have had that, not all, but some of us have had that tough parent, you know, that they mean well, but their words are kind of harsh. There we go. So maybe be mindful with your words. Because we can say hurtful things. The tongue, words are very powerful. And they can cut just as deep as any sharp object. That mental pain, boy. Yeah, physical pain, that shit hurts like a motherfucker. But have you ever had that mental pain? Make your body go into shock? What is hopes and fears? It's late and it's getting a little dark. I hope you're still here with me. Hopes and fears for my Taurians, please and thank you. Hopes and fears, please. We're almost to the finish line. Hopes and fears, please, for my Taurians. Hopes and fears, please, for Taurians. Hopes and fears. We have. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on this light. This is bothering me. I can't see, so if I can't see, I know y'all can't see. Sorry, give me a second. Close my blinds, people. Y'all up in my shit being nosy. Okay. Hopes and fears, we have the Knight of Pentacles. So, are we hoping for some offer to come in? Offer from an earth sign, possibly? You're an earth sign, hello. Could be for another Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn. Doesn't have to be within love. It could be maybe we are waiting or wanting a business opportunity with this pentacle. Pentacles is about security, coin, money. The thing is about the pentacle, the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, it's movement. And not to say this, you know, minimizing it. It's just kind of a tad bit slow. It's moving. That's a good thing. It's a tad bit slow. But it's going to get there. You know? It's going to get there. hopes and fears. We are hoping for a movement within finances, I feel like. A moving forward within finances. A growth within finances. Somebody to give you some money. Maybe you're waiting on that stimulus check. It's moving a bit slow for you. Could be your hopes and your fears. Hoping for it because, you know, I'm not working right now, or not working like I used to, not getting the income like I used to. Waiting on that check. And it's probably fearing because it's moving a little slow. And while it's, you know, supposed to be coming in, these bills are still coming in as well. I feel it. I feel it. And if it's not to do with that, I feel like you're hoping for an offer, a new business opportunity, or somebody just give you some money. Hoping and fearing. I feel like the fear part is that it's not coming in quick enough. That's what I feel like. What is the possible outcome, please, for my Taurians? I want to make it, I just want it to come out on its own. What is the possible outcome for my Taurians? Too many. I just need one, please. Good gosh. I just need one. I don't know why, but I want some egg rolls. I think I'm gonna try to make me some homemade egg rolls. The cabbage, I love cabbage. Whew. Y'all, I know y'all love food like me. Cancers and Taurus, we love food. Let me tell y'all a funny story. When I was younger, I had this best friend that was a Taurus. And our first fight ever that we had was over some food. Possible outcome, the world. So a new cycle. A new cycle. Like I said, you weather some type of storm, so it could be this bullshit of somebody betraying you. With this world card, though, also, I'm seeing you could be on social media, getting some attention or whatever after you break up with whomever or stop dealing with whomever, you know, just getting some attention. Could be dealing with a fixed sign like yourself. Yeah, Tauruses, y'all are fixed signs. That's, I think, they can sit there and say all fixed signs are stubborn, because once y'all have your minds made up, y'all's mind's made up, and it's really hard to budge. We have to sit there and make a situation or make something, make it think that it was your idea for you to go with whatever the hell we make it make sense. You know what I'm saying? For y'all to really go with it. Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and Virgo isn't fixed though. Virgo is mutable. How many signs did I just say? Leo, Taurus, Aries, Scorpio is a fixed sign, but for reason I see Virgo. It could be getting attention. Attention, attaining the world, success, being in the spotlight for some reason, just popular. Could be popular on social media, getting a new following, or a lot of people just paying attention to you. But if it's not that, just a new cycle, just a new life cycle. Yeah, detach from whatever this bullshit is, because once you let this go, honey, that's goodness. It's not in love, you know, just a new desire, new passion, new love, new gifts. Aces are gifts. But you have to get out of this. You have to free yourself. You have to free yourself. And I mean, if there's something going on, clean your house. Cleanse your house. Especially if your name is on it. Make a change. Whoever this is envious of you and attached to you. They're not good for you. Storm warning. They could be egotistical, which should be, you know what I'm saying, in the past. All right, Taurus, that's all. I'm going to leave it there right now. I'm going to get started on your love reading because this reading went well over. I hope I gave clarity and insight. Once again, I'm Mona B, the intuitive. Thank you for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into yours. April 2020. Till the next time. Oh, just, hit the love reading because I'm about to do it right now. All right, babies. Bye.